Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're decoding the rapidly evolving landscape of AI super apps to figure out exactly which platform is poised to completely rule your digital workspace. Because let's face it, the days of constantly bouncing between a dozen different clunky AI tools, those are over. We're witnessing a massive battle for the enterprise and developer markets, and it is just getting started. Here is what we're getting into today. We'll kick things off with Section 1, the AI super app era. Then move to 2, Claude's knowledge work edge. After that, it's 3, Codex and unmatched agentic autonomy, followed by 4, Cursor's vibe coding supremacy. Then we'll put it all together in 5, our platform showdown comparison, and finally wrap up with 6, the enterprise versus engineer verdict. Let's jump right in. Section 1, the AI super app era. To start things off, we really need to wrap our heads around the massive paradigm shift happening right in front of us. We are moving incredibly fast away from those fragmented AI tools and entering a totally consolidated era. Look, the big takeaway here is that a super app is absolutely not just another text chatbot. Think of it as a completely unified workspace. It's an environment where a long-running, always-on digital employee has full browser capabilities and plugs seamlessly into all your existing enterprise tools. You're chatting with it, doing complex knowledge work with it, and writing code with it, literally all in one place, complete with a dedicated side panel interface for whatever task that agent happens to be running. Section 2, Claude's knowledge work edge. Let's talk about our first heavyweight, Claude by Anthropic. Claude's desktop application is making massive waves across the industry right now, and honestly, a huge part of that is due to the sheer gravity of the talent they're pulling in to build it. This quote really captures the insane talent migration we're seeing right now. You've got absolute industry legends like Andre Karpathy joining Anthropic. And it's not just him. Top CTOs from massive tech giants are literally stepping down from their prestigious leadership roles just to become individual contributors again. People are calling it the era of the polymathic individual contributor, where this legendary talent leaves big tech leadership to get back to hands-on R&D, specifically to build out Claude's capabilities. When you actually dive into the platform itself, Claude's strengths jump right out at you. Take their terminal, for instance. They've rolled out a feature where you can fire off 5 different agentic tasks simultaneously. It's like having a web research specialist digging for news while another agent grinds on a totally separate project, and you just casually toggle between them. Plus, Claude still offers what pretty much everyone considers the definitive, top-tier, pure chat experience. But, and there is a catch here, the ecosystem is currently a little fragmented. So if you create custom skills in their co-work environment, they don't automatically translate over to the Claude code environment just yet. They haven't perfectly unified it into one seamless app, but they're getting there. Section 3, Codex, unmatched agentic autonomy. Moving right along to OpenAI's Codex. If Claude is mastering the chat experience, Codex is fundamentally rewriting the rules on how long AI can actually work without human supervision. Their new/goal command is a real game changer. It shifts the AI entirely away from just executing quick, immediate commands. Instead, it anchors the AI to a massive long-term outcome. You just open the desktop app, type /goal, and hand it a massive objective, like, say, writing the code for 30 different iOS apps, complete with web research and build links. Because it is outcome-oriented, the agent plans its own steps and just goes to work. People are seeing these agents run autonomously for 4 hours, and in some crazy cases, over a day and 14 hours straight, without stopping until the job is done. No way we could do that a year ago. But it's not just about stamina. Codex brings some seriously magical workflow integrations right to your desktop. Take app shots. It doesn't matter what app you have open, maybe you're staring at an email, you literally just press Command plus Command. Codex instantly screenshots it, gets immediate context, and you can just ask it to draft a reply. They've also added plugin sharing so you can build custom workflows and blast them out to your entire team instantly. But the wildest feature? The Google Docs integration. Codex actually uses computer control to physically type its responses directly into your open Google Doc. It's wild to watch. Section 4, Cursor's vibe coding supremacy. Let's talk about our third contender in this super app race, Cursor. This is the incredibly fast vibe coding powerhouse that is turning heads all over the industry and, frankly, opening up some massive checkbooks. $60 billion. I mean, that is just a staggering number. That's the reported valuation at which xAI and SpaceX agree to acquire Cursor. The deal even has a $10 billion opt-out clause. It really highlights the incredible stakes here and the absolute mountain of computing resources now backing Cursor. They are pouring that compute straight into training bigger, better models, starting with their new Composer 2.5. You really see why the stakes are so high when you look at the user experience. Cursor's Composer 2.5 model is just blazing fast. It has an incredibly low token cost, and crucially, it directly edits your code in real time. Contrast that with Codex's current design mode, which is annotation-based. With Codex, you're leaving comments on a UI, and you have to sit there waiting for the AI to execute the changes and refresh. Cursor? It skips the annotations entirely and just writes the code directly, giving it a massive edge if you care about front-end development speed. Section 5, Platform Showdown, the comparison. Okay, we've profiled our 3 heavyweights. Now let's put them head-to-head and synthesize everything into a definitive view. Let's put it all together. Real quick, you might be wondering, hey, where's Google's Gemini? Well, based on the data, they just lack a cohesive super app identity right now. Their tools are scattered across Anti-Gravity for coding, Gemini Spark for agents, and AI Studio for app building, and honestly, none of them currently hold the top spot in their categories. Looking at our main contenders, the specializations are crystal clear. For coding performance, Cursor absolutely takes the crown with those blazing, fast direct edits, while Codex relies on annotation and Claude leans on terminal multitasking. What about agentic capabilities? Codex absolutely dominates here with its unmatched 24-plus hour/goal autonomy, whereas Cursor is hyper-focused on fast web research and Claude handles more basic desktop tasks. And finally, UI and integrations. Claude gives you that unmatched chat experience, even if the skills are a bit fragmented. Codex is the undisputed integration king with AppShots and Google Docs. And Cursor, while it is moving rapidly to becoming a full super app with marketplaces and automations, it just doesn't natively handle things like spreadsheets and documents yet. Section 6, Enterprise versus Engineer Verdict. So what does this all mean for you? Based on the data, which platform should you actually deploy for your specific daily workflow? Let's break this down into actionable advice. If you're an enterprise business leader and your main focus is automating knowledge work across your team, Codex is your clear winner. The ability to share custom plugins across your workspace, seamlessly integrate with Google Docs via computer control, use AppShots for instant context, and set up those incredibly long-running goals, it makes it the ultimate unified business tool. On the flip side, if you're a software engineer looking for pure vibe coding supremacy, Cursor is exactly what you need. The sheer speed of that Composer 2.5 model, the direct inline code editing, and its absolute superiority in front-end development make it the undeniable choice for getting technical projects built at absolute light speed. These massive tech giants are literally battling to the death for total control over your digital workspace, and the platforms they're building are improving at a blistering pace. So I want to leave you with this final thought to ponder. As these tools transition from being just helpful chatbots into autonomous digital employees running day-long tasks on your machine, how are you going to adapt your daily workflow to take advantage of this new super app era? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep exploring the frontier.